I will start off here with the motherboard. Okay, for the motherboard, look for the CPU pin connectors. Make sure the yellow triangle from the CPU matches the yellow triangle on the pin connector and carefully plug it into place. Once it is fully secure, make sure to put the pin lock down and it shouldn't be able to move. Next we have the RAM. Make sure when you're putting the RAM down that the bottom of the RAM matches the slots going into it. It's usually split up into two segments. The longer segment on the motherboard will match the long segment on the RAM, so it should just go push in like a jigsaw, although you'll need to apply a little bit of force, maybe a little more than what you're comfortable with, but as soon as you hear that click it should go into place. There are different ways motherboards secure RAM. You usually see one side of the RAM will not be adjustable and the other side of the RAM slot will open for you to put the RAM in, and then when you close it up, the hardest bit I found here was putting in the heatsink on top of the CPU. I had a bit of trouble screwing it in. With the CPU fan, make sure all four sides are screwed in evenly. The reason for this is if you focus on screwing one side fully in at a time, the CPU fan will become unbalanced and you won't be able to screw in the other sides. Slow and steady wins the race here. Also, the bracket at the back of the motherboard, make sure that is fitted in tightly at the back when you're screwing it on, because you'll need that screwed in. The final piece we are putting in is the graphics card. Now, with the graphics card, make sure you have the port protectors taken out, as this may cause you problems when fitting it into the PC case. I found that putting in the graphics card is the same way you put in the RAM. Make sure you undo the lock of the port when you put the graphics card in, though the graphics card required a bit more wiggling room. Once you think the graphics card is completely secure, put on the lock and then test that it can't be pulled out with the lock on. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we have completed the motherboard install. So congratulations. If you guys have any problems with this, please let me know and I'll try and help you the best I can. Thanks for watching.